So in previous class, we get one equation. So before that, we get a Maxwell thermodynamic four equations. After that, next topic is Maxwell's thermodynamical relations. So in that we get one relation. What is that relation? Dou T by dou Y, dou T by dou Y at constant x and dou S by dou x at constant y minus dou P by dou y at constant x and dou v by dou x at constant y equal to dou t by dou t by dou x at constant y and dou s by dou y at constant x. This is the Maxwell's thermodynamic relation equation. From this equation we get four thermodynamic equations. So dou v by minus dou p by dou x at constant y and dou v by dou y at constant x. So in previous class we get this relation. From this relation we have to substitute some variables. We get thermodynamic equations. So what is this equation? Dou t by dou y at constant x and dou s by dou x at constant y minus dou p by dou y at constant x and dou v by dou x at constant y equal to dou t by dou x at constant y and dou s by dou y at constant x equal to dou p by dou x minus dou p by dou x at constant y and into dou v by dou y at constant x. So for first relation, that means first thermodynamic or Maxwell's thermodynamic first equation. So first relation. So put x equal to s, put x equal to s and y equal to b, y equal to b. So when we substitute these values and here, so dou s by dou x, s differentiation with respect to x equal to 1 and dou v by dou y equal to 1 and dou s by dou y equal to 0 and dou v by dou x equal to 0. So here x equal to s. So s differentiation with respect to x we get 1 and here y equal to v. V differentiation with respect to y we get 1 and s differentiation with respect to y 0 and v differentiation with respect to x equal to 0. So substitute all possible these values in above equation. We get dou t by dou v at constant s equal to minus of dou p by dou s at constant v. So this is Maxwell's first thermodynamic relation. This is Maxwell's first thermodynamic relation. So here we have to put x equal to s and y equal to v. So from this relation we get these four equations. So when we substitute these four values in above equation, we get this equation. So this is the Maxwell's thermodynamic first equation or Maxwell's first thermodynamic relation or equation. Next, for second relation. For second relation or second equation. Second relation, we have to substitute x equal to t and y equal to v. So dou t by dou x, t differentiation with respect to x equal to 1 and v differentiation with respect to y equal to we get 1. Then dou t by dou x equal dou y equal to 0 and dou v by dou x equal to 0. So these all possible values substitute in above equation we get. So left side value we get 0 and right side dou s by dou v at constant t minus dou p by dou t at constant v. Then from this equation we get dou S by dou V at constant T equal to dou P by dou T at constant V. So this is the Maxwell's second thermodynamic relation. Maxwell's second thermodynamic relation. Next, for third relation. For third relation, so here we have to substitute let x equal to s and y equal to p. When we substitute values, then s differentiation with respect to x equal to 1 and p differentiation with respect to y equal to 1 and dou s by dou y equal to 0 and dou p by dou x equal to 0. So substitute all four possible values in this equation. We get dou T by dou P at constant entropy equal to dou V by dou S at constant pressure. This is the Maxwell's third thermodynamic relation. Next, last equation, fourth relation. So for fourth relation, so here we have to substitute x equal to t and y equal to p. X equal to t and y equal to p. T differentiation with respect to x equal to 1 and p differentiation with respect to y equal to 1 and t differentiation with respect to y equal to 0 and p differentiation with respect to x equal to 0. So substitute all possible values in above relation, we get dou s by dou p at constant t equal to minus of dou v by dou t at constant p. So this is the Maxwell's fourth thermodynamic relation. Maxwell's fourth thermodynamic relation. So from this relation, first we have to get this relation from from thermodynamic first relation and second relation. After that, when we substitute some variables, we get four Maxwell equations. Next, TDS equations. TDS equations. So in TDS equations, we have first TDS equation and second TDS equation. First TDS equation. First TDS equation. So here we have to consider entropy equal to function of temperature and value. Here ds is a perfect differential, then we get ds equal to dou s by dou t at constant v into dt plus dou s by dou v at constant t into dv. So multiplying both sides with the t, then t into ds, t into this value and t into this value. After, we know that t into ds equal to dq. T into ds equal to dq. Then from this equation we get t into dou s by dou t at constant v equal to this value. We can write dou q by dou t at constant v equal to c suffix v. So here where c suffix v is the specific heat at constant value. So from second Maxwell relation, dou s by dou v at constant t equal to dou p by dou t at constant v. So from above relation we get, substitute this value in above equation, we get t into ds equal to, so this value substitute in this place and dou s by dou v at constant t value, replace this value, c suffix v into dt plus t into dou p by dou t at constant v into dv. This is known as first TDS equation. First TDS equation. Next, second TDS equation. Second TDS equation. So for second TDS equation, we have to take entropy equal to function of T comma P. If entropy is a perfect differential, then ds equal to differentiation of this equation dou s by dou t is differentiation with respect to t at constant pressure into dt plus s differentiation with respect to p at constant t into dp. So multiply t on both sides, we get this equation. Next, so this value we can write t into dou s by dou t at constant p equal to, we can write dou q by dou t at a constant p. So this value specific heat at a constant pressure. Specific heat at a constant pressure. So this value replaced with c suffix p into dt. Next, so from fourth relation, Maxwell's fourth relation, we have dou s by dou p at constant t equal to, c suffix p into dt minus t into dou v by dou t from third Maxwell equation minus of dou v by dou t at constant v at constant pressure. So substitute this value c suffix p and substitute this value minus of dou v by dou t at constant p. So t into ds equal to t into dou s by dou t at this value we can write c suffix p into dt plus, so here we get a minus value, so we can write a negative sign and minus t of dou v by dou t at constant p into dp. This is the second TDS equation. Second TDS equation. Next, third TDS equation. Third TDS equation. So for third TDS equation, so we have to take entropy is a function of P comma V. So for entropy is a perfect differential, then ds equal to, so dou s by dou p at a constant v dp plus dou s by dou v at constant p into dv. So multiply with the t on both sides, we get this equation. Multiply t on both sides. So here we have dou s by dou p at constant value, dou s by dou p at constant value equal to, we can write dou s by dou t into dou t by dou p at constant values. And here we have dou s by dou v, dou s by dou v. So this value we can write dou s by dou t at constant p into dou t by dou v at constant p. So substitute values in above equation, we get t into ds equal to, so t into dou s by dou t at constant v into dou t by dou p at constant v into dp plus, so this value we can write dou s by dou v plus, we have to write dou s by dou t at constant p and dou t by dou v at constant p. So already we know that this value we can write c suffix v and this value we can write c suffix p. So t into ds equal to c suffix v into dou t by dou p at constant v into dp plus this value we can write c suffix p, because t into dou s by dou t we can write c suffix p. So into dou t by dou v at constant p. So this is known as third TDS equation. So here we have to take s is a function of t comma b and s is a function of b comma t and s is a function of p comma b. Then we get first TDS equation and second TDS equation and third TDS equations.